this?
Snake.
What's this?
Those are peas.
Can you say what it is?
What's that?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Get me?
What's this?
Tiger.
The tiger. Oh, what's this? What?
Real. Sock.
That's a shark. What's this?
That tractor.
Tractor. Okay.
That boat.
Yeah.
That baby boat. That pants. That truck. That tin can.
What's this?
Albatross.
Octopus.
And cat. And tiger.
What's this?
And fishy. And pumpkin. And orange. And carrot. And apple juice. And the wheel. And the pencils. And flowers. And flies. And balloon. And backpack. And shoes. And shoes. And
Dress.
dresses. Dress. And doggy. And apple. And peas. And a bear. And pumpkins. And grill. And snail.
What's this?
And turkey. And chickens. And chicken. And chicken.
Next page.
Cow. And duck. And wheel. And cat. And penguin. And penguin.
You mean zebra?
Frosty salmon. And lemon.
Who's that? Who's that right there?
Frosty salmon. Dolly happy so cool happy no. And cat and arrow and arrow and arrow and arrow.
What about this one? What's that?
A cat and boots and mine. Hamlet and meadow and duck and cheese and Bob Builder.
Bob the Builder?
Yeah.
What's this again?
And wasp and dog.
Get her to say that.
What's that? What's that?
Caterpillar.
No.
It's not a caterpillar. What's that?
I saw you caterpillar. No caterpillar there. All gone.
All gone? Oh, what's this?
Green.
What's this?
Blue.
What's that?
Yellow.
What's that one?
Blue.
What's that one?
Orange.
Oh, and that one?
Pink.
And what's that one?
Brown.
And what's this one?
Orange.
What's that?
Strawberry.